Hello friends, hi, this is Sumansmjain and today I'm going to show you a very new trick where you can make $100. Okay, where you can make $100 per day from YouTube without uploading any videos. Yes guys, you heard it right. This is nothing related to creative corners or nothing related with making some other videos. Definitely you won't be even making not even a single video. So I'm going to show you this method in the year 2019. Alright, so before that what you need to do is subscribe to my channel, because on a daily basis I make every day a new videos and where I teach upon tips and tricks on digital marketing and how to make money online from different factors. So today I'll be taking an example of Clickbank itself. Alright, so I don't want to waste your time. I just wanted to take you over my shoulder and show you the trick. Alright, so first what we do is we would be going to the Clickbank. Okay, so you would see, you know how to create an account with the Clickbank, right? So if not, what you can do is you can even check out my descriptions where I've given my #1 recommendations of making money online, which is sumansmjain.com/start now. Alright, so you can even check out the link over here. So these are certain niches, alright, the categories. So what you can do is, I'll just, for the example purpose, I'm just taking one new examples. Alright, so let me check parenting. Okay, let me check over here. Okay, I don't want to take this example. I just want to take something else. So health and niches, I've done a lot on that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take this animal care and pets, because I've seen a lot of videos with animals and cats and dogs and a lot of things, and there are a lot of views on that. Alright, so you can see on the popularities, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just going with the gravity, high to low. Okay, so here what you can do is the #1, the gravities. Alright, so gravity, anything which is above 15. Okay, gravity, anything which is above 15, you can promote any number of products. You can see there is 62% of people, you know, like they are selling this product, and this product has good huge demand. Alright, so here if you can see there's a 54 gravity. Here if you can see are coming down 27, and here 6. So I won't be promoting this product because this product doesn't have much of demand. Alright, so you need to promote a product which has a demand, so where there are the takers of that particular product and where affiliates are actually selling this product and making a lot of tons of money over that. So you can see you can select any of the products over here. Alright, so how you need to select the products? Okay, so you just need to click either on promote, or you can even check their sales pages, affiliate pages and the sales pages. So I'll just take an example of this. You can see when I click on this, this is what the affiliate stuff is being given, and I'll just click on the sales page, and this is what the sales page looks like. And when I see this product, it's like, wow, I just love this product. Alright, because there's a dogs with a chest, and I like this, the way it has been designed. Alright, so what happens over here is what makes my dog training system so unique. So this particular website is related with how do you train the dog. Alright, so this gives you an important factor on training programs. So what I'll do is I go on my channel. Alright, I just go on this and check up search on okay, you can see here every month. Okay, the caps are on. So if you can see here every month, okay, you can see here how many people are searching. There's a millions of people who are searching on this particular niches. Alright, so but we wanted, what exactly are we looking out? Okay, so we wanted either on dogs videos or dogs trainings, and when there is a related with the dog training, you can see there is 90,000 people are searching on YouTube about this, and cost per click is nearly about this on this particular term is about $3.93. Alright, so this is again a very good keyword. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to check. Okay, I'm just telling you, be sure you're not even making a single video onto your channel. Alright, so you can see here you need to search the recent videos. Alright, you have to search the recent videos. It's like 2 years ago. When you see here 4 days ago there are like 31,000 views, and I was like, wow, and this is very new. Okay, and this is again, it's about like nearly about some 9 minutes. And when I again scroll down, you can see here the same person. Okay, the same, he has made the one more videos, okay, and 1 week ago. So like, and the same person over here, you can see there's like 1.7 million people over there. So what you need to do is you need to click on this particular channel and check.
This video is sponsored by Puffbox. Hey, Road.
Okay, and I just want to show you one more thing over here.
Do you know what Puffbox is? No,
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So what you can see here how they have written, how to train your puppy to walk on leash and around distractions. This video is sponsored by Puffbox. So what do you think over here is the Puffbox is a person or the product or the company who is actually paying to this person just to make a small videos that we talk about collaborations. All right. So I just want to give you one more example over here. Okay, I got recently 2 days back, I've got an email from this particular person, and she has asked me, like, I want to ask about potential partnership. How much 5 minutes review will cost? So she's asking me, okay, to do a collaborations, okay, for 5 minutes, and she's asking me how much I would be charging for that 5 minutes review. So that is the one way of doing it. And the other way, what you can do is you can connect this person. What you need to do is you just need to go to this particular person's
This video is
place.
sponsored.
Okay, stop this, and you just need to check this about sections. All right, so just click on about section and just check on whether they have provided their business emails. And yes, they have provided their business email. So what you need to do is you just need to grab these emails, okay, send them an email that, hey, hi, I do have a product. Okay, I do have a product related to the dogs trainings where we sell the training sessions, right, which is a video based. So would you like to do a review video on this particular on our website, okay, or something like that? And for per views, we would be, like not per views, like per click on the link which we're providing to you, the affiliate link. Okay, so the affiliate link which we have grabbed in, like you promote. And here what you can do is, if brainy dogs, right? So and the collabs, what you can do is you can just zap, right? So you can just type in zap, okay? Excuse me, zap, and generate hot links. So we just give them this particular link, and even if you want, you can use the Google tracker and give to them, to that particular person. So whenever he makes a videos, you can see even in one day he might be getting some thousands views, right? So on this 31,000 views in just 4 days, you just think on one particular link which you give them, how many links you clicks you get in. So you can just tell them that per 1,000 views or clicks on my link, I would be giving you some percentages, anywhere between per click you can give them 25 to 30 cents or even 50 cents sometimes. Okay, when there is a collaboration in such a way, because you can see on this particular word, when you do something keywords, you are paying per click. Cost per click is nearly about 3.93. okay, so you can give them a collaborations nearly about 25 cents to anywhere between say 50 to 60 cents. And you can check for 1 week that how much sales you are making in on 1,000 clicks. Even if you can get some good amount of money, if you are paying some 40 or 50 bucks to him, and if you are getting a sales of 2x, then I believe these kind of collaboration help you to make a lot of money, even you are not even making a single videos. All right, so I believe this particular stuff will help you to get into marketing. And this is what the influencing marketing we call about on YouTube. And yeah, and you can make anywhere between $100, $200, and even $1,000 per day from Clickbank or any other product you have with YouTube. All right, so if you have any questions, just comment below this video and I will help you with that. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're liking it, just subscribe to my channel and give a hit like to this video. Thank you so much.